Now I want to go one step up from this cutter and use this one. And this is going to be that center bottom piece. Okay, so same thing, that same technique that you've done ad nauseum. Okay, and then kind of spread this out so that it's rounder, and then attach it there, like so. And that is your pansy. And see how the little tails are in the back? And we'll snip those off. And then this was the ears for this guy, so one step up. So you're just going one bigger to do them to the main large petal at the bottom, which I'm sure has a name I don't know. Okay. So again, it's this extra piece. It's like a handle, and you just stick them together. But wait, there's more. Once you get them together, you snip off that little back part that I've got there going on once they get dry. And then you take either your purple food color or a food color marker, and you color that pretty part that they've got. You know, they all have those different color markings. They're like little lines that come out. Right? And they come in all different colors. I just happen to like the purple and yellow. Leaving that very yellow part, the very center yellow. Okay. And then one more piece. They have like a little, I don't know, even know what you call it. So a little piece in the middle. Used to, when you did it with icing, you made a little loop in icing. But for this, we're just going to take the yellow part, a yellow like ball, and we're going to attach it right in that center. And we're actually going to poke it. Poke right in the middle, like so. All right, so a little bit of fondant. We're going to do the center to this flower here. And so I just need a little button. So I'm just going to use this little button one here. I made these ones, but there are button molds all over the place, so if you've got one, use it. Okay, press it in, pull it out. There it is. Button. Okay, there's the button center. And then what I want to do with all these, I want to spray them with that Super Pearl. Before I do that, I'm going to dust these poor violets that turned blue. My violets are blue. They're unhappy, and they're such a happy little flower. So we'll just use our stuff to dust them real quick. So incredible, poor things. I have unhappy violets. I just can't believe how fast they faded. Seriously, I did them yesterday. And I kept them wrapped up, but they still ended up fading. What are you going to do? Okay, so now they look a little more purpley. They're pansies, not violets. You could put violets on here too. I have another video where I showed how to do violets. So you could put those on here too. Okay, just in case these have any ideas that they're going to change colors on me. Okay, now what we're going to do is put them all on a piece of, put them all on here. Leaves too. Come on, everybody on here. Everybody on here. Time to dye my counter. All the little. Normally these are made of, you know, satin ribbons and stuff, so I want to get that like satin shine to them. So I have some pearl sheen. Okay, so let that sit for a few minutes. Whew. Getting high on my paint here. Okay. We probably don't need all these. That's a lot for this little cake. Better more than too little.